What up, people? So, quickly before we start with this video, my name is Alexander. I'm full-time dropshipping on eBay UK. I have 3 stores. Um, so, if you are interested about dropshipping on eBay UK, ebay.com, this is the channel you want to be in. Okay, I'm for the UK, most of it, my information, I'm putting content almost daily. So, please consider to subscribe. And a big announcement before we start, I opened a Telegram group, and I will explain you why very fast. Uh, Most of the time I'm at the computer, I'm working, so I don't look at my phone. I don't want any distractions, so I'm not going to Facebook and Messenger and WhatsApp. And Telegram, I am all day long. I'm talking with my employees, so this is why I also decided to have a Telegram group, because this is for all the eBay things. I manage all from Telegram, and this way I'm more communicative. I can answer the questions super fast, and I can send you screenshots, videos, things like that. So you have a link in the description for my free Telegram group. Please come in and join if you're serious about eBay dropshipping. So basically, this video I want to talk about VA training. So I have got like few students that I see that they have a VAs. Okay, they do have a VA, but first of all, they are not making money. Like most of the people that I taught, they are not yet making money, but they already have a VA. Okay, if it is for customer service or things like that. But why do you need customer service if you don't make like enough sales or orders? So what's the point to have a VA? And like most of the people that start with drop shipping, so they like work at a regular job. They not yet only get paid from eBay, from their business. So you need to, for example, if you work like 10 hours a day, 8 hours a day, it doesn't matter. You don't have the enough time to list as much you need. Okay, people asking me how you see this, like this fast result. I opened a third account and I sold 3K in 1 week, my first week, with zero feedback. So people ask me, how do you do it? I list. Okay, I currently live in Mexico, and I'm only getting paid online. So this is my job, and I have all the time that I need to drop ship. But most of the people that start, they don't have the time, and they can't move to Mexico. Yes, if you can come here to Mexico, it's great here, but most of the people can't. So you need to outsource your time. Okay, I have VAs that I'm paying $1.50 per hour. So if you look at it at pounds, because I drop shipping on eBay UK, so I'm paying him less than £10 per day, and he can list me 50 100 items, good items that are selling with my method, like in 8 hours or 10 hours. It doesn't matter how long you want him to work, but you invest like less than £10, like twice a month. Like, don't go out, don't eat out twice a month. Save this money, that 150 £200 per 1 month. You can save it and let someone else do your job. Like, you need only to teach him what to do, and he will do it, and they're very good at it. Their English is perfect, okay, better than mine for sure. And they're super, like, they're grateful for the job. Okay, they don't have those kind of jobs a lot in the Philippines. They have bad traffic, and they really want to stay at home and work from home. Like, it is beneficial for, like, for both of you. So all these subjects. So in this video, so what I have a special offer, let's say like that. I did that already with a few students, and it really was beneficial, that I can take your VA. Okay, if you don't have time to train him properly, you need also to do interviews and search for those VAs and for this rate for $1.50, because not everybody will work for this rate. So if you already have a VA and you're still not making money, you are not doing something right. So I do offer a VA training. Okay, so what it means, you give me your VA for 1 week, only for 1 week. He will be learning from my top VA, okay, that knows everything, how to search sellers, how to search high profit items, hot selling items, everything from 0 to 100 in 1 week. Give me your VA for 1 week. Okay, I do charge money for that, so contact me about the rates. Give me your VA for 1 week, and you will receive a 100% like complete VA for listings. Okay, like imagine yourself how much time I can save you, and this VA can save you. Okay, because he will be listing every day. Okay, and eBay loves it. eBay love that you list new items every day to your store. This is what they love. Okay, and you will see immediate results, I guarantee you that. So if you already have a VA and you want me to train him for 1 week, so shoot me a message. Also for those that don't have VAs, okay, you can go and search for VAs and like do interviews and search for someone that will work for about $1.50. But if you want me to save you the time, I also charge a bit more to go and search a VA for you, train him, to interview him, to see that he is actually a good, not just will be a good sniping, like at sniping, also will be a good employee, a good person, and someone that is dedicated and can work consistently. Okay, so if you want me to do completely all of you, I also give this, let's say, service. And if you already have a VA and you want me just to train him, the rate is lower, so just shoot me a message. You can contact me by Facebook. I prefer Telegram. I answer there much faster. So you have the link to my group in the description. So go, first of all, join the group. Okay, there is good information. You can communicate with people, and like answering, the answers are fast. You don't need to wait until the people will go to the Facebook and then read the comment and then reply. The reply is instant. So go to my group in Telegram, and from there shoot me a message if you want me to train your VA, and we will take it from there. So yeah, this is for this video. Thank you for watching, guys. I appreciate your subscribing to my channel, and leave this video a thumbs up and join the Telegram group. We'll see you later, guys.